Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make some slime. So this is my first YouTube video, so don't expect me to be all good in that. And I don't expect you guys to like or subscribe. It's your choices, guys. I won't like it. Subscribe to me so much. Okay. The things you're going to be needing is Colgate. I don't know, but I don't know if you can use any type of toothpaste, but I'm just using Colgate because that's what I have. I have not tried this milk on yet, so yeah. A bowl or plate to mix your slime in. And last but not least, you're going to be needing a mixing tool with some Dove Deep Moisture body wash. Yes, I'm in the bathroom, so you're going to take out your bowl, plate, and your Dove body wash. And we got a new one. I'm going to pour that in. Okay. I'll put like a lot, so that means I have to put like almost like a lot of the other one. And it's white. Mine is white. Other people's blue and white. But mine is just pure. I don't remember any of what acids, but tell me yours in the comments down below. I'm going to be mixing it with this because I don't want to deal with that anymore. So we're going to be mixing right now. That looks like. So it looks like, guys. I'm not sure if you guys like. Ooh. Alright, and I use a bit more Dove. And you'll be needing some salt too. So, like, not just this, because it's not only going to work with just that. That.
Boy, who do you think you are, man?
Mix. It's like turning, and then you're going to be needing this a little bit. Listen to that, just like that much. You're really needing left of that. I'm not going to touch the toothpaste with the thing. I'm just going to scoop what I need out. Okay, so it's going to be looking like this, and it has bubbles in it. And you have to be saying that. So yeah, guys. I'm going to go get my salt. So wait here. With my salt, I'm just gonna place it down. I put like a bit too much, but that's okay. So you're only gonna be doing pinch by pinch. I think it's working. I'm not really sure, guys. I'm not sure, I think I need a bit more dough. For some reason, I feel I needed some Dove more toothpaste. It doesn't seem to be working right now. And like I watched it, I didn't come up with this method. A girl did. So shout out to her. I don't know, but she has a channel where she has like it's like music like and everything like that. And this is not working for me. So I know she did like a lot of mixing, and like I just don't want to do so much mixing. And so yeah, guys, let me see if I put like that much. I'm gonna put like a lot, guys, like that much. It's very thick. It's very thickened. That's how thick it is. It's starting to get very chunky. So that's the part where we need some of that. Okay. Let's mix. And let's mix. So this does not work, guys. No wonder she'd be cutting so many times just to make the slime look like it's working and dye the same color, but it's not working. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's not working. So don't try this method. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see if they just want views and everything like that. But I'm not the one that just wants views. I just want to have a reading channel telling the truth, because I believe that's the best way to keep that truth. It's very, very chunky, guys. Like, you know how chunky this is. I'm not gonna wash my hands until like, this is like right there. So, yeah. I'm gonna be having another part to this. The face, because I'm sorry if you haven't seen my face. Yes, my face. Alright, so this is a bowl cleaned out. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be trying other methods too, guys, just so not just that. Okay, guys, so thank you all for watching. I hope you had a fantastic day today, because I certainly did. Making this video was a huge success. And I just love seeing me. See my phone right there? I'm getting camera too, so my day happy. And yeah, so go subscribe, please. Just like in the beginning, I said I don't really want subscribers, but now I really think of it, I do. I want subscribers just to make my day happy and make my day fun, because you guys, I know you did. And this is my first video. And my name is Claire. So yeah, peace out.